no place to eat.
It's not that bad, but it's why I want to go there. They got hit about what?
Oh, we got we got hit on the 26th last year, January 26th. I remember it was 3-inch hail. I mean, and to me, I'm outside filming it. My wife's in the closet with her. I love it, but anyways.
All right, man. Let's see what's the. Hot mop.
Hot mop? You know, I haven't done a core what's under this. I know it's obviously.
You know what? I'm going to give it a hot mop. And you see something else, just suck the shit out of it.
Just sub it. Okay.
How about that?
Yeah.
Minute, we can
Yeah,
give you guys all the.
He's got like he'll take like 1,000 photos once we do it.
Yeah, I mean, this one right here, probably the hot mop with the insulating decks underneath.
I mean, it's an old building, so we don't even know what.
I did probably like 3 or 4 layers underneath.
Yeah, or 7, right?
I poured today too because we have a lot of rain coming. Like that's kind of scared me actually.
I didn't want to pour this one either, so
okay.
I'm going to do the hot mop with the 3-ply on. Sound.
Yeah, it's ISO because it's 2000. It's Texas.
Yeah.
So we're.
Can you pull me that PDF or no?
I can get you everything. I'll get you everything you need exactly for this roof, right? Like
24/6. How high is that?
You need like code adoptions, right, from the city or whatever.
Yeah.
I got you covered.
I got 2 and 2.
Got you totally covered on that.
Did I say 24/6? Yeah, 24/6 and 2 and 2 per wall, right?
But you're gonna need an R25 value system. So.
I think 25.
Yeah, R25.
Yeah, whatever that.
So.
Don't worry about this wall. Yeah, just want to show you like. We got a deck.
You
got it.
I'm surprised we don't see like a ton of litter down here. Must be good, good occupants up there.
I'd like to go over the top of it. Look, I like to take the membrane over and turn it. Oh. How many inspections do you have today?
One more.
Is that good? All right, that's an easy one then.
I'll go today.
Yeah.
So the direction was the other way, so we wouldn't expect to see anything.
Yep.
Yeah.
Totally.
So like, yeah, we got to put a cap on here. Oh my goodness.
You know what? This cap is gonna be a challenge.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, right? What would you do? You tell me, brother. We just do whatever you prescribe.
Nation Lloyd, they pretty cheap.
The what?
They're Nation Lloyd.
For the upfront.
Yeah.
However much
they're not
you pay.
gonna let me put a cap on unless you have a cap on.
Yeah. Put whatever you have to. And
You know,
then
I just do the hot mop. You know.
if we have to, you know, if we have to because of
You know
code,
this thing right here, you pull it out. If you get something on it, document it, take photos.
You betcha.
When you removed it.
You betcha.
You know, really the best thing to do.
Who deals with your supplements there?
The inside.
Inside,
It's
got it.
easier.
So you're like,
Go straight to them.
you're like, man.
Write it up and I
after
get the hell
this.
out of it. I don't like to deal with this.
So on that note, give me some flashing parapet walls.
What I would do, I took some photos of the parapet wall.
Yeah.
However, I just tried it before. There's a one in the Old Town down in the Forney area.
Mm-hmm.
They don't let me put it, but later on, hell no. Who knows?
Well, you're a seasoned guy, so you know what you have to do to close it.
Yeah,
we're not gonna want you to do anything to hold it from closing.
Yeah, I go and right where I can.
You get it closed. We won't touch a supplement until after.
There you go. This is the guy. He knows.
Oh no, he's been doing this for a long time. Okay, we good?
You know, some guy try to open it, close it, and guess what? You never get a check.
Nah, man, we'll get you your check first.
You know, we open the doors, we knock it out.
You got it, bro.
Got it.
You apply the coverage. We don't do that.
Yep.
You apply coverage, baby, and then we'll do the rest.
Can you put some landscaping in there as well for the gutter?
For the girls.
The landscaping,
Landscape gutters.
just something.
I just tell you one thing, man. It's Amiga is good, but they don't do much commercial.
Yeah.
It's the cheapest.
Yeah, no, I'm with you. It's all
Yeah.
good.
They even have the exclusive of metal.
We just have to play the game that's in front of us, how it's played. So we're all just players in the game. My man. So you gotta be nice.
Excluded.
Huh?
They exclude
Yeah.
metal cosmetic.
Yeah.
Oh, they did. Okay.
You got to be nice to the adjusters because you might see the adjusters again. So you got to be cool to them.
Like you.
That was probably November. That's probably like a year and a half ago, man.
It's not been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been gone for 2 months since Harvey and Irma.